So we got all of the primer done on this side. Uh-oh. Ryan. Moisture came out of right there.
It's fine.
Alright. Jeez. So we got all the primer done on this side. And I think the other side's pretty much done. John Ross came over to help us out with painting. And this side is pretty much almost done. Yeah, pretty much done with the primer. We just got to finish up the keel and those spots that still are drying and need to get sanded and then painted over. So yeah, looking pretty good. Primer is, I might get the order wrong, but it was once turquoise, it was black at one point, and it was red, then it was gray, and now we're going back to black. Go back to black. Isn't that Amy Winehouse? There's a bunch of black to black songs. But that's what we're doing, we're going back to black. Morning. Day like 6 or 7 with no shower. But we're leaving the boatyard today and I'm going to shower. Yeah. So I think that they have finished painting. Let's go see. Do it. Yeah. Ooh, I'm tired. Oh, be careful. There's obstacles. Got the tape off. Look at it. Black. Nice and sleek. Look at our sleek blue bayou. Tape is off. Looking good. Oh yeah. Let's get a look at the other side. Wow, nice and sleek. Slick, clean. Real pretty. Nice. In there, painted. I don't even know why they did that. Looks good.
Moving the jack stands.
Uh-oh, Chachi. Uh-oh, Chachi. Oh, he's scared of her. He's scared of her. Oh, she's going after him. Are you hunting dog? Oh, she's hunting the dog. And the dog is scared. Oh no, there's a cat. Oh no. Retreat, retreat, retreat. Look at his tail in between his legs. And she's like, all right, I'm bored. No dog hunting. Enough dog hunting. Retreat. Where'd she go? Chachi. So we've replaced the cutlass bearing, painted the whole bottom, repaired all the blisters, replaced the stuffing box, and now this fine man is going to help us inspect the rigging.
We had a guy who had a dog who would climb the ladder.
Nice. She loves it. She loves exploring. And here they come for us right now. the wind generator. Real close. Perfect. Woo! We just painted the bottom. Last time of getting new paint on my hands.
Woo.
How does it feel, Ryan?
Woo.
Whatever.
Project Christmas Boat has made its deadline.
Yeah. FYI,
Almost.
Ryan was calling it Project Christmas Boat because we were trying to get it back in the water before Christmas. And we did it! Woo! Except for, I don't know what these people are doing. Oh, shoot. I don't know what these people are doing over here. And the boat was really swinging right there. I don't know what they're doing over here. We got to go in that spot, so hopefully they're moving though.
Here we are, headed into Jersey Bay. Shade behind the wheel down there. Coming out on the outgoing tide, hoping we do not run aground. So, because it is, there's about 8 inches of high tide right now, and it's probably about 7 feet out here, and we draw 7.5 feet. So, the lagoon is a scary place. The lagoonies. So, we're making it, getting there, going places, leaving. We're out of here. Bamba Clod.